So, talking about the faith which people had in you.
Yes.
So, was it really hard for you to come to terms with it, even when you were working on the film? Did you have to tell yourself, Pragya, you can do a great job. Let's give it a shot.
See, on the first day, no, I told, I don't think I've told this before, yes. So basically, I met everybody I worked with in the film on the first day of shoot. So you can imagine, till the shoot really happened, you're only reading and you're only like understanding what it is, but you've actually not met anybody. Chris sir doesn't believe in workshops. He doesn't believe in too much rehearsals. He's a very organic kind of a director, you know. He will just create, he wants some magic on the spot. So I met Varun on the first day of shoot. In the scene where we are meeting for the first time in the film, and we are actually meeting for the first time in real life. So it's as real as it can get. Like the shot in the trailer where I say, Mister, that's my first shot in the film. So for me, I think the support, I think was a very, I think nobody really came and told me. It's just, I think, a very human kind of an understanding that we all had. That nobody doubted me, nobody scolded me, nobody said anything bad. Like everybody was very like, they were very encouraging. You know, whatever efforts I was making, they all were very encouraging and supportive like that. So that made me feel like I'm the best for this. Like nobody else can do this. So that way, I'm very happy that they all had faith in me, and I don't think I had to keep telling myself all the time. But yes, there are some days when you know, you not all days are your best days, right? As actors, sometimes we are given some things last minute. Sometimes things change according to the place, according to various things, according to maybe some other scene that this scene is not making any sense. We need to tweak something somewhere. So because of various circumstantial issues, things, you may not be your best in your first take. So then I had to obviously like keep telling myself, no, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You're the only one who can do it. So yes, that happened, but not all the time. So you know, small things, but sir has his ways. Like Chris sir, he knows, he's like, Pragya, you put your hand there, you did it, and it looks like, wow, they are really in love. When I saw the scenes yesterday, I couldn't believe, I was like, we actually look like we have a great chemistry.